Hi everyone, my name is Karen. Welcome to the home workout with Sony SP800N 2-week challenge. The target of this workout challenge is to become a healthier you. Sony SP800N maximize your performance with extra bass that deliver powerful, punchy low-end sound and giving you the drive to keep going. Due to the current situation, we are advised to stay indoor. So, how to stay fit and still achieve your fitness goal during this time? Accept this challenge, get yourself a Sony SP800N today and move together with me now. Let's begin the workout. On our first exercise, we are going to do bird dog. This exercise is to strengthen our core, lower back, butt and thigh. There is no equipment needed for this exercise. Focus on forming one straight line from your hand to your foot. Remember to keep your hip square all the time. On our next exercise, we are going to do crunches. This exercise is targeted on our abdominal muscle. Lie down on your back, place your feet on the floor, bend your knee, place your hand behind your head, contract your abs and inhale. Exhale when you lift your upper body up. Always remember, do not arch your back and keep your head and neck relaxed all the time. And repeat. Now, we are going to do elbow to knee crunch. Lie flat on your back, bend your knee and raise your leg on top of the another. Twist your upper body and bring your elbow to the opposite knee.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Now, let's moving on to another side. Always remember to leave a gap between your chin and your chest. Do not put pressure on your neck and maintain a natural spine.
finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow
going to do leg raise. Lie on your back. Remember to keep your lower back stick to the floor all the time. Keep your legs straight, lift them all the way up, and slowly lower your leg back down. And repeat.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
I really love using Sony TrulyWireless headphone SP800N because there is no disruption from wires and I can just listen to the workout instruction clearly through earphones. Next exercise, we are going to do toe touches. Lie with your back on the mat, raise your feet up, crunch your abs and try to reach up to touch your toe. Remember to engage your core and repeat.
I can set you free. Are you gonna make a move? Are you gonna come and see? Whatever you wanna do, you know it's cool with me. Whisper in the dark, whispers in the dark. You come to play, don't you? Looking for something new. I got a lot underneath, tricks up my sleeve. You got some magic in you, I got some good news. I know how to handle it, I believe in what we could do. Would you come to my party if I had one in the lobby of the hotel down the street? Tell everyone that you meet that I'm just chilling like a villain.
Now, we are going to do bicycle crunch. Lie flat on the floor with your lower back pressed to the ground. Remember to pull your navel in and engage your core all the time. Put your hand behind your head and then bring your knee in towards your chest and lift your shoulder blade off the ground. Make sure do not pressure your neck and switch side and repeat the motion.
This is what I want, this is what I need. If you don't have to go, I can set you free. Are you gonna make a move? Are you gonna come and see? Whatever you wanna do, you know it's cool with me. Whisper in the dark, whispers in the dark. You come to play, don't you? Looking for something new. I got a lot underneath, tricks up my sleeve. You got some magic.
Now, we are going to do mountain climber. Start in a high plank position, wrist under your shoulder, and remember to engage your core all the time, pulling your knee to the chest and alternating the movement.
Show you how. You got some magic in you, I got that good news. I know how to handle it, so could you tell me what you got to lose, yeah? Would you come to my party if I had one in the lobby of the hotel down the street? Tell everyone that you meet that I'm just chilling like a villain with my champagne and my feelings. I just wanna show you off to my new friends down the block. Hey, I can tell we're vibing, all my new friends say we're thriving. You can meet me in the back, start the car and all of that. We can drive away to Cali, find ourselves down in the valley. I just wanna show you off because I like you a lot. Hey.
Next exercise, we are going to do plank hip dip. This exercise is perfect for our waistline. Come down to an elbow plank and slowly rotate your hip to the left and then to the right. Remember to repeat this movement and keep your core tightened all the time.
Am I ashamed of myself? Am I afraid of my emotions? We let it go, will we hold it inside? It's hard to take the blame, I know it doesn't feel right. We let it go, will we hold it inside? You're more than just your past,
are going to do plank. Get into a forearm plank position. Make sure your elbow on the floor is directly underneath your shoulder. Your back is flat. Your head and your neck are in a neutral position. Squeeze your core and hold. Alright guys, that's it for the 10-minute ab workout. Let's join me for the 2-week challenge. Check out in the description box for the special promo.
Sony.
If you don't have to go, I can set you free. Are you gonna make a move? Are you gonna come and see whatever you want?